1965 Buick Wildcat Custom Convertible here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 401 nailhead V8 underneath the hood. Appears to be numbers matching according to the stamp on the top of the block. I will tell you where to check that out in the still pictures in just a bit. Automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400. Nicely equipped car with power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC is in-op, will need a little attention. I'm going to get into that in just a little bit too. But first, let's take a look at the headlight surrounds. Chrome in the front bumper. Buick Tri-Shield grille. All right, those still pictures. So you're going to be able to see the underside of this, the interior, the engine bay, the stamp on the engine block that I talked about. All those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on the Buick Motor Division, rally style wheels, white wall radials. All right, paint code in this car, RR, so this is an original flame red car with the ivory interior, 674 trim, white vinyl convertible top. As far as the paint, now, if you noticed up here in the front, there's a few spots where there may be a chip. I notice there's a little bit of paint peeling. So is the paint perfect? No. Does it still have a nice shine to it? Absolutely. There's a couple spots where it was starting to pimple, and I'll try to point those out as we walk around. Let's go down this passenger side and take a peek. As you can see, there is a nice shine to it. Here's a spot kind of on the top of this door. I don't know, it's kind of tough to see it. There's a few spots where it's kind of pimpling a little bit. Scuff here or there. Technician did note convertible top in-op. It is a newer white vinyl top though. There's a good look at the interior. Again, ivory interior, bucket seat, center console. Interior is nice in this car. It's one of those cars, we have driven it, parking lot. We're gonna have Jason take it out, show you how it goes down the road. We've had it out on the frontage road. But before you're gonna take it any long distant trips or anything like that, there's some things you'd wanna go through, and I'll get to those too in just a bit. First, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Good look at the chrome, the bright work in the rear of the car. A few things that are going to go with this car to the next owner would be the parade boot or convertible top cover. There's a jack trim piece, extra antenna. We'll put those back in the trunk, and you'll see everything in the still pictures, the trunk, those extra accessories, that type of thing. UniqueClassicCars.com. All right, technician, some of the things they did note, like I said, before you're going to take this in a longer drive, put some miles on it, give it the once over, and they basically stated the belts, check that over, coolant, oil, turn signal lights, some of the bushing, suspension components, front brakes, something to look over. But like I said, we'll have Jason take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. We've had it on the frontage road, short trips. All right, down this driver's side, again, you can see the paint has a nice shine to it. There were a few spots where it was kind of doing that pimpling thing, but you got to look hard to find it. If you like these Buick Wildcats, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you'll see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily. Vehicles in the videos are available to purchase, and you can do that online right off our showroom floor. And this one has been priced accordingly, so you want to get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. Consignor said announce the things that I've been through and price it to sell. All right, interior. I've not noticed any real major rips, tears, holes, or anything in the vinyl seats. Appear that they have been reupholstered. Carpeting looks good. And let's fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. dash. Slip around to the back here so you hear it run. Kind of what you'd expect out of a 65 401 V8. Let's head up to the front of this vehicle, and I will pause this video a second while I get the hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, wrap up this walk around, and once again, stick around to the very end of the video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Here's a good look at the underside of the hood and engine bay. There is a battery disconnect when it's in between drives or in storage. Battery was from 2022, it's not very old. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC. It appears the AC components are intact. Compressor up there. The Wildcat 401 cubic inch V8. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. 1965 Buick Wildcat custom convertible. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist in transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1965 Buick Wildcat. Looking good in red paint. This is an automatic on the column. Because it's a Buick, of course, equipped with tilt steering. You don't see that many Wildcats. Big V8 power from Buick. Buick known for lots of torque from their engines. This car is no different. Effortlessly lifting this car up to speed. Our speedometer appears to be working correctly. We have warning lights for the temp, amp, and oil. The fuel gauge is reading completely full. Now I can't vouch for that one. Great styling. This armrest between the seats looks like it's straight out of a fighter jet. Very cool stuff. We do get some wind noise around that convertible top. It's somewhat to be expected from this era, and it is a cool, windy day in Minnesota today. Very comfortable, nice looking bucket seats in this car. Kind of like the Wildcat name. I mean, to be the first one to use that name, which I believe they were, that is forward thinking. This car has great power brakes and power steering. Corners luxuriously, as it should for a large Buick. Very easy to drive. Again, nice acceleration and a very comfortable car. Bring the whole family with you in this two-door 1965 Buick Wildcat. Check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.